Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 11th to the 17th. Now on first blush or first look, this kind of looks like a slower ad, but always expect the unexpected with Walgreens. My goodness gracious, the last couple of weeks, the clearance has been like pop, 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 pop. It's been really crazy. In a good way, of course, if you've managed to track some down. And for a lot of you, as social media is what it is, and everybody and their grandmother is talking about the summer clearance, it might be a little harder to find. Some stores might be packing it up to send to a warehouse for auction, but I would try and get out there by Saturday to look for summer clearance. If it's tagged at 70 at your store, you might be lucky and find some of this fun in the sun stuff at a super uber cheap price. First thing that we're going to talk about is this booster. It showed up on Thursday morning, $15 of Walgreens cash when you spend $60. They must think that I'm rich. I also got a 10 back when you spend $50, a little better. So a couple of rules for you guys. It is valid for that week only, which is the 11th to the 17th. It is of a one-time use, so if it's still floating around your account, one and done. It does stack with the paper booster that comes out of the Catalina machine. For the balance, use your debit, credit card, or bills. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash, or it will mess everything up. Okay, let's look at some of these deals of the week. I noticed 3 for $8.49 for the Arm & Hammer. That's increased in price, just to note that. So we have the Scott BOGO 50% off. Very nice to see. Unfortunately, Garnier, I don't see any digital coupons as of right now, along with the Dove deodorant. Olay is like $1 off too, which you really can't do much with. But one deal we're going to look at is Crest right off the cuff. So as you can see, there's a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. However, last week we were gifted a 5 off of 3, which is a much more valuable coupon. $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3 of these. So if you are so lucky that you didn't use this last week, we have a 5 off of 3. As you can see, it expires at the end of the month. I didn't use mine for whatever reason, but possibly I could use it this week. Grabbing 3 of those Crests for $12, they're $4 a pop. Subtracting that 5 off of 3, you're paying $7 out of pocket. Getting back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $2 for the 3. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash if you wish, if you're using this without a booster, but some cheap little toothpaste. Our next little dealio is on the Angel Soft for $4.69. We have a $1.50 off of 3 digital coupon. Earn a $3 register reward when you buy 3. So, just a little deal for some cheap toilet paper. Grabbing 3 of these for $14.07, subtracting that $1.50 digital, you're paying $12.57 out of pocket, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $9.57 for the 3, or $3.19 per pack. These are larger packs as well. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now we have a deal on some cereal. So the General Mills cereal is buy one, get one for free. So that is really nice. I did look up the price on these cereals and they are like $5.49. It's kind of expensive. If you go over to your IBOTTA app and you have this 50-cent rebate, grabbing 2 boxes, you're going to get $1 back from IBOTTA. But hang on to your hat for a second. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have this loaded. Grabbing 2 boxes, 1 will be for free, so $5.49. That $1 off 2 digital will come off. You'll pay $4.49 out of pocket. Submit that $1 for IBOTTA, making it $3.49 for the 2, or $1.74 per box. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you wish. You're not using this in concert with a booster. And also open up your IBOTTA app and scan all the barcodes of the different cereals to make sure that you're grabbing the right flavors to get that $1 back from the IBOTTA app. The Tide Simply Bounce Downy Laundry Care is $3.49. We have a 50-cent digital coupon, dropping it down to $2.99. So if you need some cheap detergent, this is definitely the way to go. Every week leading up to Halloween, they're going to have the treat of the week, and this is the treat of the week, so it's a type of candy at a reduced cost. $2.49 for these larger bags of the Tootsie Charm Candy or Double Bubble Gum. So, it's a way to get a whole bunch of candy on the cheap. If this is your thing, I probably would go for the Tootsie Rolls myself. Okay, the next deal, unfortunately, all of the coupons are expiring on Saturday, but maybe Walgreens will give us some new digital coupons. Wouldn't that be nice? These products are $10.99. Buy 2 of them, get back a $5 reward. So again, the gain coupons are expiring on Saturday the 10th, so it is what it is. But say you're grabbing 2 of the gains for $21.98, and you have that 5 back when you spend $20. It's a booster loaded. Pay $21.98 with your debit card, get back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster and $5 register reward. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance. It basically makes the two $11.98 if you think that might be a deal for you. If you might have manufacturer register rewards, by all means throw a couple in, but not store register rewards. Now, a deal that I have some problems with because I'm always talking about this deal, $10 for these massive bags of cottonelle. I mean, honestly, I might just go into the store and buy $50 of paper on Sunday because I have some problems. But these are $10 a pop, and it's a lot because they're the mega bags. We have this digital, which is a 5 off of 2, so that is a very valuable coupon right there. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, you're getting back 50 cents for each of these bags, so that's $1 back. So grabbing 2 of these for 20. If you have that 5 back when you spend 20 booster loaded, by all means, maybe use it for this toilet paper deal. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $15 with your debit card, making a $1 submission to IBOTTA. And now Fetch Rewards often gives back little points for cottonelle, so photograph your receipt to the people at Fetch, and then also $5 of Walgreens cash for that booster. So it'd make it $9 for the 2 or $4.50 for these massive bags of cottonelle. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, just to note that. Okay, the next little thing I'm going to show you guys, you know how whenever they have the buy one, get one free on the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand for the sandwich bags? I'm always like, stack up for $1.49. The counterpart is Ziploc, and look at that, 2 for $7, so $3.50. So you can already see buying generic, you're saving money. At the bottom, we have the 99-cent Dawn dish soap. It's usually like $1.39. So you know I would maybe stock up on that, especially if you're a newer couponer. Grabbing 6 of them, that's $5.94. I would throw in $5 of Walgreens cash if you might have it, and pay the 94 cents. It's just a really good stock up price. This is concentrated dish soap, so even a little tiny one like that will last you a little bit. Okay, so looking at this, buy 2, get 1 for free on the Pepsi products. But at the front of the ad, it said, I think it was like 3 for $12.99 for the soda. So I don't know what's what. It's just, who knows? Maybe somebody made a mistake. But we'll go with the Pepsi products at $7.99 on a buy 2, get 1 for free. If you go over to your IBOTTA account, any sort of Pepsi zero sugar, they're giving $1 back. So double, triple check that you have this and it's on the 12 counts. Having 3 of the Pepsi Zeros for $15.98. Use Walgreens cash or whatever you might have because that is a little bit out of pocket. Then you're going to get $3 back from IBOTTA, $1 back for each 12 pack, making it $12.98 for the 3 12 packs or $4.32 per. It is okay to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, store register rewards, whatever you might have to throw at this one. Now let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. Now this is in the ad again, $3.99, and then you get a $4 reward when you buy 2. Will it be coming back with another high-value digital coupon for the Colgate? I know we got one the week previous. I would love to see it again, so we'll have to wait and see on that one. Sunday morning will be very telling of that, so check all of your digital coupons in the Walgreens app. If you are getting killed with the food prices, maybe this is time to use $20 or $50 of Walgreens cash and buy some food. Some of the, non-perishable goods, they're very comparable to like a Walmart or even like a Kroger or a Meijer. Some of these prices, the 2 for $7 and 2 for $6 Indiana popcorn or the Lay's chips. I mean, I remember when it was 2 for $5. I know a lot of people get irritated when I do Prices Right moments, but yeah, I go to the grocery store too, guys, and I start crying because it's like, wow, these prices are really outrageous. That Magic Trail Mix is really delicious. Top left-hand corner. I used to buy that before I went to keto, and it was addictive. And for all you coffee drinkers, $4.99 for the Instant Maxwell House and other treats. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.